This time we're getting right into another Burly Bundle. This is a subscription service that sends everything you need to make burlesque and dance accessories, all right out there in this beautiful little box. This month's project is a really fun one. It is a big fan with feathers and crystals and all other kinds of neat fun stuff. What I really appreciated was that it came with this little template to help you line up all the dots for your glue for all of those crystals. Now, this I really appreciated because I am so messy with glue. I usually have a big disaster on my hands, and that's honestly why I usually use Hot Fix. Though I still managed to make a huge mess with way too much glue. Like I said, I just don't do well with glue. It's not my friend here. Eventually, I would get my act in order enough to kind of do a sort of neat job once I started getting those crystals on. Have this really neat black with an AB finish kind of look. It doesn't really show up how cool it is on camera, but it almost disappears and then the light hits it just right and you get to see that little iridescent sparkle. It's a really cool look. And I flipped it over to work on the other side. I kind of had more of a handle on this whole glue situation. And of course, the other side has to have plenty of crystals as well. Putting some clear ones right on the handle there. Then things got a little bit weirder and a lot messier when it came time to put the feathers on. And after the glue dried, I ended up with something so big and so massive and so epic that I can't even really fit it in the frame all at once. My cats are going to love this. And there you have it. This is my biggest fan. If you liked this video and would like to see more as like it, please be sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye now.